Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Chloe app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Chloe app. If it's not work for you, then you have to follow this simple method. Just press and hold it here. Then here you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info. So then here you have to scroll down and click on the storage. Just click on clear data and delete it. Okay. Then you have to open it again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to probably check for an update. So checking for an update is easy. Okay. So you can directly go to the Google and you can directly search for the Chloe app. So from here you can click on here and click on this update button and you can update it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.